I'm Chris Kubal. Here's a look at your Local 5 weather impact forecast. We have some rain pushing across the state, especially northern and eastern Iowa overnight, extending into Tuesday morning. A couple of gentle rumbles will be possible, but generally speaking, not much more than a streaky downpour resulting from that. And as I mentioned, this rain is going to be out of here really quite early on your Tuesday. Now through tomorrow, we'll hold with the clouds. Temperature swing is minimal as such. We'll have that breeze out of the north as well. That's going to be a cooling influence overall. So some scattered areas of rain, and under some of those heavier returns, there may be a rumble of thunder to help spark that heavier rainfall. You notice this activity definitely more prominent in areas north of about Highway 30. We'll wrap things up early, just a few trailing showers in its wake, and by midday, all but out of here, but the clouds will hold. Now I'll say any wintry mixture or snowflakes holding closer to the Minnesota and Iowa border and points northward here for tonight. Holding with the clouds all the way into Wednesday morning. Now amounts of rain will differ, and so much of the total surrounds is if you see some of those heavier streaks of rain, generally speaking, north of Highway 30 is going to have the best chance of picking up a quarter inch or more of rain, and definitely more spotty in nature to the south. Generally a tenth of an inch and less is expected. 43 degrees tonight with our overnight low, and we'll look for that breeze out of the northwest running 5 to 15 miles per hour. 49 clouds, really the big limiting factor here on the temperatures. Some 50s in the southern part of the state, but contrasted nicely by the low 40s in the northern portion of the state. Let's get a look at that extended outlook. Temperatures bouncing through the 40s and 50s. Thursday a little bit warmer than the rest of the days here this week. Rain Friday and into the weekend has been trending to the south. In fact, holding a rather dry forecast at this juncture, and with the addition of sunshine this weekend, temperatures popping a little bit more, looking a bit more desirable with that weekend forecast. And then as we move out towards Thanksgiving and the holiday weekend, there's some signals in the long run that we deal with a cold air intrusion from the north. The exact details on just how cold things could end up being, of course, still up in the air 10 days out. But there is also some signal. We'll deal with a storm system in the Tuesday, Wednesday time frame leading into Thanksgiving.